In an organization, there are a number of petty payments to be made every day for minor expenses, such as stationery, delivery charges, emergency supplies, and other miscellaneous items. Making these petty payments through checks, cards, or by any other means other than cash is inconvenient and not recommended. In addition, it is difficult to record these small expenses in the main books. Therefore, organizations maintain a petty cash fund, which is used to pay small expenses. Separate accounting books are used to record petty cash expenses. In this course, you will explore the concept of petty cash and petty cash accounting. In addition, you will examine the different types of petty cash books used to maintain a petty cash account.